teams looking to end their season on a high, Craig Moore.
Yes, Speedy, look, it should be another fantastic match here. Chelsea, English champions, and done it quite comfortable this season. Sydney FC backing up 3 days later. What a great opportunity again for these boys to show exactly what they're capable of.
Here's Aki, the Dutchman, who will play in the left-back role tonight. Naumov will no doubt be reflecting on his opportunity, smothered by Petr Cech. Again, Hazard latching onto the ball in midfield and sending Costa away. Brilliant from Costa! And the shot flashes across the face.
I think Nedovic gets something on it.
Nice in the middle. There's Naumov. Antonis waiting on the edge of the area, intelligently moving into that space. Still Terry Antonis, and a strike forces Cech into action. Brilliant stuff from the Sky Blues going forward.
Now Welbeck pouncing on the loose ball and powering forward at Nani. Is he onside? He is. The flag has stayed down. Nani for United has scored! Well, the Barcelona players are looking towards the assistant on the far side. No flag came though. And Nani, as cool as you like, slipping it under Victor Valdez.
Well, it comes against the run and play, Adrian. It's an unbelievable break there for Danny Welbeck. His first touches forward, he looks up at Nani with the accelerating space and the pace. Look at that.
Back who can deliver a corner. Kicked out Smelts earlier this season brilliantly. It's not bad. And the header flipped on by Hall. Calver will keep this one in. He's got Ryle nearest to him. How often does Terry just get blocks in like that? Houghton concedes the...
Plenty of movement. Ilario moved rather late. Plenty on it to clear. Ballack. Robin looks so much happier out wide and cutting in like this. It's off Yobo and behind for the corner.
Trying to lift United. Van Persie. Young. Asked too much of Giggs.
Long throw, perhaps Drogba the target. McCain loose in the box. Victor Valdez glad to see it stabbed behind by Cahill.
From now on.
I've got to say, Sydney FC deserve a goal out of this.
Well, it might come now. Here's Ryle into the area. And sliced out by Matic. Anywhere will do for Chelsea at the moment.
Essien. Bridge. Here's Kalu. Lampard. Good hit. Super hit. Frank Lampard's scoring streak against Everton continues. 4 in 4 last season. And now he comes up with Chelsea's second equaliser of the day. It's the goal that makes Frank Lampard Chelsea's record goal scorer from midfield.
Is of a quality standard. And Graham Arnold, you just saw the reaction before, lamenting the fact they haven't been able to score. One last chance is there. Clever! Oh, just eluded! Blackwood in the middle. It was tantalising. He cannot believe it, Arnie, that they haven't found the back of the net against Spurs and now Chelsea. Is there one final chance? Seconds ticking. Gersbach, who can deliver a corner. Kicked out Smelts earlier this season brilliantly. It's not bad. And the header flipped on by Hall. Calver will keep this one in. He's got Ryle nearest to him. In swinger this time. Here's the chance! Oh, Hall is denied, but there is the equaliser. No, it's not going to count. Well, it's second time around, but Andrew Hall, what an opportunity, but he headed back across. an empty net was at his mercy, seemingly.
Again, it's a... he's got a... He does the right thing. He maybe gets sided a little bit late on the ball. Strong. That's certainly a positive start from Sydney FC, and players getting a lot of confidence with some early touches.
Look at Hazard go. And broken up by Antonis. To his confidence, the world of good. He idolises the Belgian. Space here for Costa, though. Lovely through ball.
Can Jason Roberts do what Benny McCarthy couldn't and level the game? Against Jääskeläinen, who saves again! Incredible! Absolutely incredible! It's a similar kind of penalty to McCarthy's, and it's a similar kind of save. Blackburn Rovers have been saving penalties. Brad Friedel and Jason Brown have saved plenty for them this season.
But it is Chelsea, the champions of England, who finished their season on a high and as winners, as you'd expect.